Hey everybody, here to let you know that we're going to add a new playlist to the channel called Known Good Data. In this playlist, we're going to share with you information like the screen you see here from several scan tools, but mostly starting with the ATS EScan Elite. So we will use the EScan Elite to examine vehicle data with relation to emissions, to solve emissions issues, or to understand more about what was going on. So to give you a quick overview of what you can expect to find in this collection of videos is exactly this. So here we have a 97 Land Cruiser where you can see the load percentage is at 20, the temperature is at 185, you can see the short-term fuel trim for the time we've been monitoring it, and you can see the high and low. And this goes all the way down for all the information that we selected at the onset. So long-term, RPM, VSS here at 0, vehicle speed sensor, so you know this car was parked throughout the entire time. Spark advance, intake air temperature, mass airflow sensor readings, grams per second. So here, notice this change. So this change occurs when the AC compressor kicks on. So you see that the idle goes down and then it recovers. So being able to see this information and access it in this manner helps you learn a lot about vehicles, data, and inevitably will help you diagnose vehicles better. So now I want to show you what you can expect to see in how I set up for each instance where I use the EScan Elite. So here you can see me setting it up and selecting where it is. On this vehicle, it's a 97, so it's old. It won't be able to read the VIN number. But I can select the manufacturer, then come in, select my data PIDs that I want to see, which we showed you on the first screen, and gives me the opportunity to change liter size, air temperature, and set the elevation to get the most accurate data from the tool. So finishing up my selection, once I'm done, I would go into the graph screen, and I would now have the ability to select the PIDs that I want to show here. And I would set up each according to maybe issues that I'm having or things that I want to monitor while I perform a test drive. And the important thing that I want to note here is that I am using the EScan Elite, but you can use other tools to do this. They're just not as fast as the EScan is, and they don't have this very good visual representation like the EScan does. So this is how you would see me set up in any of the videos in this playlist. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.